All right, time for what seems like now almost a semesterly shoe unboxing. We'll see if that keeps up. I've been waiting for this pair of shoes a little while. I had to go secondhand for these. I originally was looking for. I originally found the Nike Blazer Mid 77 Sail Quilt, I think was the name of it. Shoes that I was really interested in for a while, but I just couldn't tell if I'd actually like it or not. But then in that research, basically, I found these shoes and decided this was the way I wanted to go. But at that point, sale was up and it was secondhand for me. But luckily, they don't seem to have been taken on very well. The StockX price was lower than actually retail, but with the StockX fees and stuff, it was slightly above retail. But either way, pretty decent deal for it. So what these are the Nike Blazer Mid 77s Armory Navy. So yeah, let's take a look. This is a part of Nike's Move to Zero line. And yeah, right away, here we go. Okay, so here's the shoe. Design speaks for itself, fairly colorful. Like I said, it's part of the Move to Zero line. And I've really liked how they have done the Move to Zero line so far. If you know me, you know I'm, into the environment, things like that, as hopefully everybody would be. But the whole having recycled materials is something I'd like to encourage and something that I appreciate that they're doing. And then beyond that, I just have liked the looks of a lot of the things they have done. This is the second Move to Zero shoe I've had. One of the others was an unboxing on this channel, which was the Space Hippies. Really like these. But yeah, so very colorful. It's a bit of a change for me. This is a mid top, not a high top, but most of my shoes, if not all of them other than the recent Fayus, are standard low top shoes. So I guess I've been getting into these a bit more. And yeah, I just like the look of these a lot, and we'll see how they look on foot. I really like this sort of translucent light blue. I like the little dab of pink there, and I felt like the navy and yellows are stuff I could kind of incorporate into things I was wearing. I also really like the sole on this, just the sort of like, I don't know, they're using the recycled material there, so that's why it's got the speckled things. It's the same sort of reason why it's kind of speckled in here. It's just retired or recycled rubber bits and things like that, and that's what's here, but I think it gives it a pretty cool little look. Yeah, not too much else. I'll just go straight on to putting it on the foot, seeing how it feels and showing you what it looks like. All right, so as you might expect from, any sort of well-known brand, they're pretty comfortable. One thing I do notice immediately is they're very narrow at the toe, more so than really any Nike I can think of having. Maybe I'm just noticing that recently because I kind of messed up my pinky toe doing some parkour the other day. But yeah, it's really tight in the toe box. I felt like a lot of places are kind of moving in that direction. I guess just kind of wanting more of a sleeker look. And I really don't like that. I really enjoy shoes, and I really want to have interesting stylized shoes. And I get to an extent, sometimes things will get tighter for a certain aesthetic or whatever. And maybe you don't want the more like open sort of thing like I have here, but I do think, like I mentioned in this video for the Vivo Barefoots, having a more open toe box is really important just in general. So that's a big knock on these for me. I do like the look. Otherwise they're very comfortable. But yeah, just a little too crammed, more so than I'm used to. So yeah, overall, I like the shoes. I like the mid top. I think that's gonna be a fun way to kind of mix up some of the types of shoes I wear other than just low top sneakers all the time. And I like the design. I like the colors so far. And other than the toe box, I like the feel quite a bit. You know, it feels nice, and the heel feels pretty secure. I never really know how to exit videos. I guess always the goal of these videos has been to, you know, if you watch it, let me know what you think. Start a little bit of a dialogue. It's always fun to have a conversation starter or something like that. So if you have any thoughts, let me know. And I hope you're doing well.